Getting your home remodeling done right means knowing how to spot a good contractor from miles away, no joke. Alright, so first off, always ask around friends, family, coworkers, people you trust who've had work done recently. Getting multiple quotes is key, like at least 3, so you can really see what the fair price is and compare who's offering what. Don't just settle for the first quote or someone who's trying to pressure you emotionally. That's a red flag right there. Make sure whoever you pick is licensed and insured. This isn't something to skip, trust me. Also, ask for references and actually call those past clients to hear how the job went down. Be clear about your budget and timeline up front so there's no confusion later. Honest communication saves headaches. Keep a written contract outlining every detail, from materials to payment schedules, so you're covered if things go sideways. And don't forget to check online reviews, but take them with a grain of salt. Sometimes people just want to vent. One of the biggest mistakes people make when hiring contractors is rushing into it without getting multiple bids, which leads to overpaying or getting stuck with someone unreliable. Fix that by always asking for several quotes and comparing them carefully. Another common issue is ignoring proper licensing and insurance. If you skip this, you could be on the hook for damages or injuries. Always verify licenses and insurance before signing anything. Lastly, not having a detailed contract causes tons of problem scope creep, unexpected costs, missed deadlines, you name it. Make sure everything is in writing and clear before any work starts. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot for finding trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. It also helps contractors get real work from homeowners who need reliable pros without all the hassle.